and welcome to our video for today, and we will be showing you jet ski racing. So you may have noticed Angugug, he is our special guest for today. We will be doing races, jumps, and so our first one is going to be first to the cargo port. So go.
Oh, Angugug crashed me.
Well, you're thrashing us, Angugug.
Oh, no.
Oh no, I just crashed.
Same. When you crash, it takes, because the jet skis are so fast, it kind of ruins your speed, like score by so
I think
much.
I'm going the wrong way.
Yeah, you did, Angugug. And James has taken the lead.
Ollie in second, and Angugug in last.
Why am I going the entire wrong way? What is this?
Done! And James absolutely thrashes you.
Oh, no. Come on. And I come second, but it is 1-0 to Funny Chair. Angugug.
I literally know. Oh, I was going the wrong way.
Our next race will be the first to cargo port. So, same
We
thing.
are at Cargo Port, so we
No,
can
I mean,
Flintlock.
yeah, Flintlock. Okay, so
I'm almost there.
Angugug.
Angry Doug. Okay, so 3, 2.
No, we'll start it from here.
Okay, I'm just gonna.
Backs against
The reverse speed is unbelievably slow.
I know.
But the acceleration forwards is.
Okay, so 3,
No,
2.
get your backs against the wall. Okay, I'll just go forward.
Okay, 3, 2, 1, go.
Oh,
Okay.
no, wait, my screen's forward.
Tough.
Okay, I'm way behind you.
What just
Angry.
happened? That was the world's worst turn.
I'm way behind because my screen.
No, I hit the bridge.
No, I hit the.
Oh, you just got bashed by Funny Jack.
I don't really care if there's fire.
Dang. Doesn't take
Yeah, it does like a microscopic amount of
health damage.
No, I hit the bridge. I hate these low bridges.
Yeah.
Yes. Wait, do we have to go on top of the flintlock, right?
Yeah, on the Flintlock.
Wait, on top of it. Yeah, on it. On the island.
Yes, I got there first. No, I'm trapped in the cage.
Ugh. Did you see that? My jet ski jumped.
Where did your stuff?
I'm in the cage. I've never seen this. Oh my god, this is hilarious. How did I get in the cage? I need to go sideways out. Sideways.
That was a win for me. Funny Jeff, that was what you just did was a bit funny.
That was hilarious. Wow. That. How do I get out?
I don't think you can.
Oh, I got in.
How? Go sideways.
Yeah, that's what I'm trying. I'm just
That's
like.
impossible, though.
I'm gonna see if I can fit my backflip in. Yeah, I can. No. How did I get in? I'm stuck in the cage. This is hilarious.
You're gonna have to reset.
Okay, I'll reset.
And that will be unfortunate.
Well, that's
We'll have to restart the video.
quite funny. I think we can do this as a video. This is kind of funny. I could have just got banned. That is hilarious.
No, let's just,
I literally just got banned. So thank you for watching.